now we are moving to the file operations. Okay, as indicates file operation, what are the operations we can do with the file? Can anyone say? Suppose if you're having one file, okay, that particular file may be anything. It may be your document, or it may be your editor, it may be your Excel. So what normally, what are the operations we will be doing in file? So today we will be discussing about file operations only. Okay, so in editor, so in coming to the point of file operations, copying, then pasting, overwriting, modifying, merging files. So these are the some basic operations that we'll be doing in file. Okay. So as of now, how we are creating a file? Here in Linux command, we are creating a file by using editor, right? So here, what is the editor we are using here? I think we have discussed in class now by using which editor we are creating a file. VI editor, right? We can use Vim also. Vim VI next version. VI editor's next version is your Vim editor. You can go for anything. Okay, so here I think my terminal is visible. Okay, uh, I'm in desktop mode. Okay, in desktop I am creating one file. Okay, I'm having, so in desktop mode I'm having two files. One is ds500 and another one is ds600. So I'm moving to the directory, that is I'm changing my directory to ds600. Okay, now I'm in ds600 folder. Now I'm checking. Okay, nothing is there. See, inside the ds600 folder nothing is there. Now I'm creating one file by using editor. What is the editor? Here I'm using visual editor, that is visual editor I'm using. So using that visual editor I'm creating one file called sample.txt. So sample.txt I'm creating. So as we discussed earlier, VI editor consists of two modes. That is, one is nothing but your command mode, another one is nothing but your insertion mode. Immediately, once if I'm opening a file, here I have given my file name as sample.txt. Here I have given my file with extension. What is the extension here I am giving is .txt. If you need, you can give extension. No need, no nothing else. By default, it will create a file in text editor only. So no, if I give vi space sample, it is going to create only. Or if you want to give extension, you can give extension, no problem at all. So now I am in command mode. Okay, now I am in command mode. So what we have to do, I want to type some content in my file. So I'm going to do, I'm switching to insert mode. So insert mode, what you will be doing means you will be doing, you will be pressing I button. See, you will be pressing I button, or you have to press insert button. Now you are able to press I button. That is, I have pressed insert. So I have start typing the content. Okay, suppose here, what are the options we can do? See, in this case, suppose if I want to set line number, that you know. Okay, here I'm switching to colon mode. Colon mode is nothing but by I am coming out from the insert mode. Okay, so I'm coming out from the insert mode. Then I'm typing some commands. So now what is the command I'm going to do? I'm going to give some numbers. So where I'm moving, I'm switching from insert mode to colon mode. That is, I'm pressing
Command
S
mode.
from command mode to, so I'm pressing shift colon set number. Okay, set number we can give, or we can give set number, we can type fully, or you can use set nu. Anything is
Random.
correct only.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes. So see, by default the number, it has been numbered here. Now again, now I am in command mode only, so I am switching to insert mode by pressing I. So I am typing some content. So what is the content I am typing? I am typing hi. Again I am typing some Nile Chennai. Okay, next question, to switch from, so where I'm working now, I'm working in insert mode. To switch from insert mode to, that is, to switch from, wait, I will show you. to switch from insert mode to command mode. Okay, you have to press escape. Okay, press escape. Each time you have to press escape. See, I'm pressing escape on and then I'm working on it. Okay, so coming to the point of working in VA editor, you have to practice, then only it is easy for you to come as fluently. Okay, each and every time you have to press escape from switching each mode. It may be either in command mode or it may be in insert mode. You have to press escape, then you have to do some shortcut keys are there. Okay, that particular shortcut key only will be working on it. Now we will discuss what are the shortcut keys available. See, now where I am now, I am in command mode. Okay, so I am coming out of it. Now I am in command mode. See, I am having 6 lines is there. Okay, I am having some lines is there. Here, suppose, see, my cursor is pointing in first line. In this case, suppose if I am pressing capital K, sorry, I have to suppose if I am pressing capital K. Mm. So capital J will move the cursor down. Okay. So I am pressing capital L. So capital L will move the cursor right side. Okay. Then I am pressing everything you have to do in command mode. See, I am in command mode. All the commands or all the keystrokes will work only in command mode, not in insertion mode. Okay. So here what I am doing is, see, I'm in command mode. So I am pressing capital K. Is it okay now? So I am pressing capital K, it is moving up. Okay, for moving down, I am pressing capital J. Okay, for moving left, I am pressing capital H. Are you able to see the difference? K for moving cursor up, J for moving cursor down, H for moving cursor left, and L moving cursor right. All these four things, any whatever commands you are giving, you have to give everything in command mode only. Okay, see, now I'm switching from command mode to which mode I'm switching? I'm switching to insert mode. Okay, so I have pressed I button here. See, now is it okay? Now I'm pressing I. So K will be for cursor up. You have to give in command mode. Okay, still I'm in type mode only. Next for J will move the cursor down. Okay. For each here I'm unable to delete, so I'm switching to escape mode, then I'm pressing insert mode. Each and time I'm pressing escape mode and switching. Okay, you have to practice on it, then only you will be able to follow. See, the J, why we are using J, move cursor down. So I'm pressing insert. I'm pressing L. Okay, I'm pressing L to, still I'm in command mode. To command mode, suppose if I want to go to next line, I'm in command mode. If I want to go to next line, you have to press O. So I'm coming down. Hey, everything, all the operations you have to do in command mode. Now I want to type, so I'm moving to insert mode now. So insert mode, I have pressed I, so I'm started pressing now. So H, so H is nothing but move cursor left. Okay, next one is nothing but J. J is move cursor down. Next one L, move cursor up. See, what are things I am doing? Everything I am doing in now in insert mode. So again, if you want to go to command mode, just press escape. So escape is a key which is used to go both cases. So I'm pressing escape. So next one, suppose next what we are using is X. Okay, next is X. Okay, X, the character X, why we are using is which is used to delete, which is used to delete a character, which is used to delete the character from the current cursor position. Is it okay now? X, X, suppose here backspace will not work. In command mode, I am saying, okay, in command mode, backspace will not work. In that case, we have to press X. So the X will delete the particular character where the currently the cursor is there. See, I am in command mode only. So I have pressed escape. Now I have moved to current mode. See, I am pressing X. See, it is deleting, right? Are you able to see the difference now? Are you able to see the difference? Where I am working in command mode. Okay, so now I want to type the content. So again, where I'm switching to insert mode. So I have pressed insert now. So I'm typing the character from the current cursor position. Is it okay now? So next one, undo option. So normally you will be having undo. No, here also the same undo option is there. So for undo, you will be pressing the U. Okay, for U, it is used for undo. Okay, U means small letter U. Okay, so U is for undo. Undo the last change. Okay, see here, see, 1 second. See here I am in which mode? I am in insert mode. See, I am unable to delete. Or you feel the difference, right? Unable to delete. If I want to delete that particular word C, I have to switch to command mode by pressing escape key. Then I have to press the letter X. Is it correct now? I have pressed, so that particular C has been deleted. So by practice only it will come. Okay, so what I am trying to do, I have to move down. So I am pressing the J. So I am pressing J. Then I have to move left. Okay, to move left, I am pressing. Is it okay now? Undo. You see, now I am in which mode? I am in insert mode. Okay, now I am switching to command mode. See, now I am pressing undo. So for undo, I am pressing U. See, or you feel the difference? J is coming. See the key, see below one change. In which line? 39th line, 7 seconds ago. So here I am pressing U mode. See no? See now I am going to next one. Suppose if I am moving up. So for moving up, you will be pressing. So I am moving up. So I am switching to that mode. See here I have moved up. Now what I am trying to do, I want to delete entire thing. So I am pressing X. Okay, see I am pressing X. Everything I am doing in command mode only. Okay, see I am pressing X and deleting the entire line here. Okay, see I have deleted the entire line. Change current L for cursor right. L. Now what I am trying to do, here I am pressing capital U. The capital U, what is the function? No, capital U also will do the same undo only. Small u also will do the undo, but what is the difference between the capital U? Capital U will undo all the changes in that entire line. Okay, here I have deleted all the entire line current cursor position. Okay, here I have deleted the entire line current cursor position. How I am undoing it? Here I am undoing that whole line. In that case, I am pressing the capital U. Small u, undo the last change alone. The entire line, if you for that you have to give capital U. Sorry. Yes, Amalan. Sorry, here I by mistakenly see for cursor up. For cursor up, we have to press K. Okay, for moving cursor left, we have to press H. For moving cursor down, we have to press J. So for moving cursor right, okay, here I have by mistakenly I have again typed moving cursor up. Okay, so I'm pressing that. It's for I'm changing this. Okay, I'm changing this. So I'm pressing that particular word. So I'm pressing X to delete it. Now I want to type it. So I'm writing. Now is it correct now? I have done one mistake. Now it is correct now. So K is for moving cursor up, H is for moving cursor left, J is for moving cursor down, and L is for moving cursor right. Now is it okay now? Till now is it okay? We have discussed only 6 keystrokes. Cursor, that is up and down, left and right, undo, that is small letter U, undo the last change, capital letter U, undoing the whole entire line. Okay, then next one. So now I am in insert mode now. Okay, so I'm deleting that unwanted things. I'm deleting. Okay, I'm deleting that all the unwanted things by pressing X here. Then I'm moving. Okay, next one. Okay, suppose if we want to add or if we want to update or if we want to append something. So in suppose here see my cursor is in some last line. Suppose if we want to append at the end of the line. Okay, you have to press capital A. The capital A which is used to write the content or which is used for appending. Capital A is used for appending at the end of the line. So see, now I am in this mode. Okay, I am in command mode now. I am pressing that insert mode. Okay, and I'm typing some content here. Okay, so capital A is used to append or write at the end of the line. Okay, right at the end of the line in insert mode. Is it okay now? Because in insert mode only you will be typing the content. So for that, what is the keystroke we have to use? Capital A. That capital A you have to give in which mode? Command mode. All the keystrokes. Okay, all the keystrokes you have to work it in command mode only. Okay, now see I have written. Now I'm moving down. So I'm switching from insert mode to command mode. So I have pressed escape key. So now I'm moving down. Okay, for coming to the next line, we have to press O. For coming to the next, see I'm pressing O, so it is coming. Okay, okay, next one. Next, DD. So DD means small dd means deleting a lines, which is used to delete. Okay, which is used to delete a line. Okay, Suppose, see my cursor is in this line. Okay, now I am pressing, see my cursor in this, that is U, indicating undo the last change. Okay, now what I am pressing, DD I am pressing. Okay, I am pressing DD, the entire line is deleted. Is it okay now? X is used for deleting that particular character alone, X, where DD is used for deleting the entire line. Suppose that is here I have deleted it. To restore it, that is to undo, what option you have to give here? Capital U or small u? Both is for undo. For here I have deleted the entire line. So what you have to do? Capital U. So here I am pressing capital U. See, it has came now. See, it has been came. See, in the last line also one more line, that what I have done the undo options. Yes, yes, ma. Yes, okay. Now another, coming to the another case. Suppose if I'm pressing like this. See here my cursor is in this position. Okay, this is pointing this line. I am pressing DD. Again I am pressing DD. Again I am pressing DD. I am pressing DD. How many times I am pressing? No, it will delete entire things. If I am pressing 4 times DD, it will delete all the 4 lines. If I am pressing 2 times DD, it will delete 2 lines. Here I am pressing 1 time, so it is deleting that particular line alone. Here I am pressing 3 times, so it has been deleted 3 times. Is it okay now? Now I am going to do undo for all. So here in this case, still I am in command mode only. So I am going to undo all. So I am pressing capital U here. So I am pressing capital U. Is it okay now? Okay, next command is DW. Okay, next command is DW. So DW is delete a word. Deleting word. Deleting only that particular word alone. What is the difference between DD? That DD is small dd. Okay, here that is DW. That small dd will delete entire line, whereas DW means delete a word. Deleting word alone will delete that particular word alone, where the current cursor position is pointing out. See, suppose here I am writing here. Now I am in insert mode. So delete a word from the current cursor position. But DD means delete a line. How many times? How many times? I am pressing. I am pressing DD. It will delete that much lines. Is it clear now? Difference between DD and DW. Okay, DW stands for delete word. Okay, now, yeah, small dd. Small dd. Okay, see, now I will show that also. See what I am trying to do. I am pressing DW now. Okay, I am pressing DW now. I have pressed 2 times. See, now I am pressing DW now. Is it okay now? Have you able to see the difference? Are we able to see the difference, right? I have pressing 1 time. Able to see the difference? Is it okay, Nama, for all? Any doubt till this? Based on if you work on it only, it will be easy for you to understand. You have to press each keys escape to come out from that insert mode. You have to press immediately what escape key, then you have to work on it. Then if you want to switch to insert mode, you have to press I, then you have to type the command in that. Is it okay now? Next one, still see I am in command mode now. Okay, I am in command mode. So I'm moving the cursor left. For moving the cursor left, here I'm pressing H. Here I'm pressing H. So okay, next one. Now I want to move to insert mode. Okay. Here I am pressing H to move left. Now I am pressing insert mode. Okay. To type some content. Okay. Now I am pressing S. Okay. Okay. Suppose I think open I have discussed now. Open is to open a new line. Is it okay now? DD delete a entire line. DW delete word. Okay. Capital A append or write at the end. Say I have done spelling mistake. So now so in order to delete, I'm moving to which mode? See, I have done spelling mistake. So in order to move to command mode, I'm pressing escape C. Okay, I'm pressing DW to delete the entire word here. Okay. So again I want to type the content. Say I'm pressing DW. Okay. So now I'm pressing insert mode. So I have pressed insert mode and now typing the content. Is it okay now? Small u, undo, last change, capital U, undo the change in entire line. Now is it okay now? Any doubt in this? I means insert. To switch from which mode? Insert mode to command mode. Press escape. Is it okay now? Any doubt till this? Suppose, see I am in, I have pressed insert mode. Suppose if, suppose if I press DD how many times? You please kindly work on it, okay? Suppose if I press DD for how many times? Okay, for, so I'm switching. Is it okay now till this? Till this any doubt now? Till this any doubt? Is it okay for all? Okay, next line see. Next character, what is what? Okay, see here my current cursor position. Okay, here my current cursor position. Here I am pointing this line to switch from insert mode to command mode. See here I am pressing that tilde symbol. Okay, here I am pressing the tilde symbol. See the difference. Are you able to see? It is used to change the case from the current cursor position. So I am keep on pressing the tilde symbol. So the tilde symbol is used to change the case. Change the case means both cases, uppercase to lowercase to uppercase. Is it okay now? From the current cursor position. So to change the cases, it may be either from lowercase to uppercase or from uppercase to lowercase. Which symbol we can use? Tilde symbol is used. Is it okay now? Not to capital, to both cases, upper to lower, lower to upper. It is used to change the case of individual character. See now again I am pressing that. Okay, everything we have to do in which mode? Command mode. Okay, I am in command mode only. After in command mode, I am pressing the tilde symbol. How will you pressing the tilde symbol? Shift plus tilde. So, is it able to see the difference now? Able to see the difference, right? I have changed the cases for this particular line. Okay, na? Now I am pressing capital U to undo the changes. Why I am pressing capital U? No, capital U is used for undo the entire line. Small letter U only, which is used for undo the last changes. So here I am pressing capital U. Okay, so I am pressing here. Is it okay now? It has been changed. Are you able to follow now? Okay, fine. Next one. So I'm moving the cursor. Suppose if I want to open a new line. So in that case, I'm see I have opened the new line. Then I'm typing next one. Small r. Okay, so I'm moving to insert mode. Small r. Small r is used to replace a character. Replace a character. Okay. Is it okay now? Yeah. Another one important thing. Okay, normally we will be using no cut copy paste. So for copy, that is here you will be using the word yanking. That is why that is stay still see I am in yanking. Yanking means nothing but copying. Okay, for that what you have to press Y. Is it okay now? That is copying. See, now I am in insert mode. Now I am switching to escape mode. So I have pressed escape key. Okay, see now I am in which mode? I am in escape mode. What I am trying to do, I want to copy the line. So I am pressing the YY. Okay, so I have pressed the YY. I have copied it. Now what I want to do, I want to paste it. So where I want to paste now, here I am creating a new line. For creating a new line, I am pressing capital O. New line has been created. Now I have already copied it by pressing the key YY. Now I want to paste. So for paste, we have to press the option P. Okay, na? That P must be in which mode? In command mode. See, now it has been copied. Is it okay, na? How many times you are pressing? This is what yanking and pasting. Yanking means nothing but copying and pasting. YY. See, I am moving the cursor up. Okay, I am in command mode. Wait, I will press it. Okay, I'm in command mode. I'm pressing as the for moving line. For Saurabh, see, one of your friends had asked the question, how many times I'm pressing that yanking key? Okay, it will select that particular word. If I'm pressing for two times, it will copy that two lines, the entire two words. Okay, that how many times I'm pressing. Suppose like DD, right? Like DD, no? Suppose DD is used to delete. How many times I'm deleting? Suppose if I'm pressing 3 DD, it is going to delete three lines. The same case here also yanking. See, I will show you. Then it is easy for you to understand. Here my cursor is in this line now. Okay. So I am in escape. Okay, now I am in command mode. I am pressing YY. Okay. Okay, now what I am trying to do, I want to open a new line, so I am pressing O. Now I want to paste it. See, what are the lines I have copied it? Is it okay now? Here I have copied this particular line. Now by pressing P, here I have pasted it. Is it okay to follow now? Please work on it, then it is easy. Then until it will be like something. Okay, next one. Suppose I'm coming. So what is the command for saving? So what is the command you will be which is used for saving a file? So shift colon WQ, right? Shift colon WQ is used to save a file, right? Or or shift colon WQ, the file has been saved. Again, I'm opening. So I'm opening by using the VI space. See, all the changes has been here. All the changes what we have done is saved here. Is it okay now? Now, another thing I would like to ask here. We can press. Wait, I will move to insert mode here. Okay. For save and quit, we have to press shift colon WQ or what we have to do? We have to press capital double Z. Both are same only. Or what we have to do? Shift. Is it okay now? Whether we can press shift colon WQ or we can press capital double Z. That is capital double Z. So only here I have given shift plus double Z. Is it okay now? 1P only. For pasting is 1P only. Suppose if I'm writing like this. Suppose if I'm writing shift, okay, which is used for quit. Okay, this line is I'm pressing insert mode. Okay, I'm pressing insert. That is which will quit. Okay, quit and without saving. That is coming out of the file. That is existing from the file, coming out of the file without saving. That is shift colon. That is Q exclamatory mark, which is used to quit the file without saving the content. Is it okay now? Next one. So I have pressed shift colon exclamatory mark. So any changes what I have done, it's not updated in the file, just quitting of that particular content. No changes. Again, I'm opening that particular file. So it is like that only. Now what I want to do, suppose here I am in command mode. Suppose if I want to type something, here next one is W. This W means like save as option. Okay, it works like save as option. That is shift W. So now what I'm going to do, now I'm in insert mode. Okay, now I'm coming out of this. So I'm pressing escape. So I'm pressing shift. I am pressing W. What is the file name I am doing? That is like save as option. Save as option you will be doing now. What is the use of save as option? All the content of the particular file will be copied to some other file. The same case here also. So what is it for save as option? You will be using shift colon W. Here I am giving which file I want to copy. So here I am giving my file name as sample1, sample1.txt. So all the content of this file name is sample. What I'm going to do, I'm going to do save as option. For that, what is the command we have to do? We have to give shift colon. In which mode you have to give? Everything you have to give in command mode. So I am giving colon W that file name where this content have to be saved. Sample1.txt. So I am coming out of it. See the answer what you are getting here in below line. Sample1.txt new file 27 lines 740 characters has been written. Is it okay now? That is content from sample text has been transferred to has been overwritten here. Sample1.txt. That is a new file. It consists of 27 line and 740 characters. So the file has been written. That is save as option done. Is it okay now? Now what I am trying to do? Now I am checking whether this sample1.txt has been created or not. How will be checking? By using VI editor. So I am coming out of this. So I am giving my file name as sample1.txt. See the content has been saved here. Is it okay now? Okay, next one. Um, coming out of this. Okay, here. Okay, see in ls. Okay, in I am in ds extender folder. In ls, see I'm having these folders. Okay, here I'm having this file. These are some files I'm having here. Okay, now what I'm trying to do? Now what I'm trying to do? Suppose I want to display the file content here. So here, what is command you will be using? No, cat command. Okay, suppose cat command. Why we are using this cat command? No, cat command is used to display. Okay, cat is used to display the file contents. Okay, na? Used to display the file contents. Suppose here I am giving. See here in DS600, I am having some files. That is sample 8, 9, 10, sample 2, sample 1 I am having, sample 2 I am having sample.txt. I am having some content, some files. Now I am giving cat. Okay, I am giving cat that particular file name. Okay, my file name is sample.txt. See here in terminal itself, we are able to see the content of that particular file. So here cat is nothing but which is used to display the content of that particular file. See what I have done is, see here I have given the cat command, cat that particular file name. Is it okay now? I am giving cats. What I am trying to do in previous cases. Okay, in previous cases, what I have given cat that particular file name. Okay, which is used to display the content of that particular file alone. Here what I want to do, I want to display all the contents. So I am giving the star symbol within this my particular folder here. So here I have given that particular star. See, it will display all the contents. See what is the difference no? That is here cat that particular file name. So here I am giving, suppose my file name is sample1, it will display the content of sample1 alone. That is first example what we have discussed. Second case what I have discussed is cat star. Here star indicates one thing you have to remember. Here which folder I am there, I am in ds600. In ds600 what are the files is available, it will display the content of that particular file alone. Is it okay now? So only here I am inside which folder? I am inside DS600 folder. I want to display the content of all the files. So I have given cat star. Is it okay now? So see it is displaying all the content. Suppose, see, I'm moving to home page. See, now I am in home page. Okay, see, now I have moved to home page. Now what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to give cat star. See, what are things it having now? See the answer what I'm getting. It is displaying all the contents. Apart from that, see, it is getting, that is music is a directory, right? Picture is a directory, public is a directory, or is a directory, snap is a directory. That is means what it is trying to say, there is no files, there is no editor files inside that particular folder. So it is showing the answer. So it is displaying the answer as synchronization is a directory, templates is a directory, videos is a directory. Now is it okay now? But in previous cases, these are some files, welcome, paste, cut, kettle, pen, gayatri, something. These are some contents that is available here. Now where I have tried in desktop mode. In previous case, I have tried in my particular folder. That particular folder name is DS600. So we can display the content of any folders. It may be a root folder, or it may be your home folder, or it may be your any particular folder. Now is it okay now? One option. Is it okay? I will move to next one. Suppose the same, we are discussing that same file options only, file operations only. Now I am in which folder? Okay, now I am in this desktop mode. So suppose next command what we are going to discuss is cp. Cp is nothing but copy. Okay, copying a file. That is cp. The syntax is cp source file. Source file name, source file name, destination file name. Okay, this is the syntax. Cp is a command which is used for copying a file. From which file to which file you have to copy. So source file, you have to give the source file sample. To whom we have to copy? That is destination file sample one. So only the syntax is cp source file name, destination file name. So what I'm trying to do, cp here now, see in my desktop, okay, I am having some files, a dot text, j1 dot text, j dot text. Is it okay now? Now I want to copy the content of j1. Okay, now I want to copy the content of j1 to j1 dot j1.txt. This is my source file name. Destination file. Here destination file may be anything. Anything means what I'm trying to say. We can, here you can create a new file also, or we can update in the already existing file also. So the destination file may be, it may be a newly created file, or it may be a destination already existing file. So here suppose I am giving this a dot text here. This is already existing file. So I am giving a dot text. Now we will check whether this particular file has been, the content of J1 has been copied to A or not. So everything I am checking in terminal mode itself. So I am using cat command. So I am checking, first I am checking the content of J1. So I am giving, or we can open this file by using VA editor also. VA space j1.txt, so that it will be separately open in that editor. Here what I am trying to do, I am trying to open that particular file in terminal itself. So only here I am using the cat command. So now I am checking in j1 these are the some contents is there. Okay, now what I'm going to check whether these contents cut, little, pen, something has been copied to A or not. So I'm going to check here. So I'm going to check in command mode. What is what? Sorry. In terminal itself. So I'm giving cat A dot txt. See, the content has been copied here. Is it okay now? Okay, this is next case. Next one, what I'm trying to do. One thing I would like to say here, cat a.txt. Now you know what are the contents available in a.txt. Something cut, kettle, pen, cut, something is there. Okay, now one question I would like to ask. What is my aim is I want to copy the content of a.text A.text is the source name. Destination file is also the same. Here both the source file name and destination file name is same. What will happen? It will overwrite or it will update. My question is, see, we will check here. Here my file, source file name is a.text. Then my destination file also, I am giving the same thing. Here it will overwrite or it will add as a new thing or it will update. Now we will check here. See, it has been added at the last. Is it okay now? Already some content is there. Again it has been added here. Is it okay now? It is not here. Here this a.text is not newly created one. It is already existing one. Is it okay now? Another case we will discuss now. One second, ma. Ah. See, one thing I would like to say in this case now, here I am not just copying, here just I am displaying the content. Suppose if I am giving again, see what is the command I am using? Cat command I am using. Suppose if I again I am using cat a.text, a.text, 10 times, it is going to display the content of that particular file 10 times. Here I am not copying. Now I will use that copy command. Cp. See what is the answer you are getting. Now is it clear now? Here what I have done means, here I want to copy the entire content of DS600 folder. Okay, so what? So here I have created one directory. Here my directory name is module 1. So why have I given this double dot symbol? This double dot indicates your parent directory, single dot indicates your current directory. See, one thing I would like to say here, ls is there. Okay, ls minus a. So ls minus a, why we are using? Hidden files. Here I have given ls minus a for my particular folder ds600. See, something is there. In that, see, first dot is there. No, this first dot indicates your current directory. Here my current directory is ds600. Next one, this double dot indicates your parent directory. Here my parent directory, that is parent directory for ds600 is desktop. Am I correct now? So only what I am trying to do here. See this line. See this line. mkdir. I want to create a directory to my here for the parent directory. So only I have given the double dot symbol. My directory name is module 1. Now we will check this module 1 folder is created. This module 1 folder is located in which place? Under desktop or under DS600? We will check now. Where it will be located? Under desktop or under DS600? DS600. Now you check. I am giving ls command. See, it is not there. Because what I have given here, see here I have given that parent directory double dot. So this module 1 folder will be created under my parent directory is desktop now. So see, I'm moving back. Now I'm checking by ls. See, three modules is there. Sorry, three directories is there. Now it is clear now. I have just created directory. My directory name is module 1. That too I have created under my parent directory. So only I have given that double dot here. Is it okay now? Huh? Yes, ma. Yes, Saurabh, yes. Now what I am trying to do, I am copying the contents. So cd. So what I am trying to do, now I have created one new directory called module 1. Okay, module 1 I have created. I want to copy the content of all the thing. That is all the thing means all the things that is present in my parent directory. Here my parent directory is desktop. So in desktop, what are the files is available? What are the folder is available? All the things. For all the things only, here I am using the option called minus r. Minus r means recursively it will take everything, that is all the files, all the folders, all the subdirectories. Here what is my aim is, my aim is want to copy all the files and folders from the from my parent directory called desktop to the newly created directory called module 1. Okay, so I am giving copy. I want all the files, folders, and subdirectories. So I am giving recursively copying everything. So minus R and star to whom I want to copy. To here my destination file name is. I want to copy from parent directory. So parent directory I am giving the double dot. Is it okay now? What I have done means I want to copy. Okay, so I have written this cp command. I want all. From whom? From where I want? I want from my parent directory. Here from my parent directory is desktop. So what are the folders, files and subdirectories that is available? I want all to be copied recursively in my destination folder. My destination folder is module 1 here. Now we will check whether everything has been copied or not. So for checking, I am going for ls command. Is it okay now? See, it has been copied now. See, now I am in module 1 folder. So here I'm copying my parent folder. So here my parent folder, all the contents has been copied here. Is it okay now? So only here I have that from parent folder. I want to copy all files and folders to my destination file. Here my destination is, here I have given one folder. Here you can give file name also. File name, it will copy the content. Is it okay now?